Hi guys, I know you are thinking, should I buy this course or not? And let me help you with the answer. This is a 10 plus hours course. This one course. This course have 82 jam-packed lectures and 7,000 satisfied students. Just look around Udemy, YouTube or any other website and you'll find no one teaches everything. This is the only course. This is the course that is about to change your life. That will completely transform your life. Now in this course, you will learn history. You will learn details, formation of candlestick. You will learn different charts. You will learn basic candlestick patterns. Example, big white candle, black body, doji. And the best thing, I not only teach you theory, I show them on charts so that you understand how will it look in the real market. I don't teach as others do. They only teach you theory. I teach you practical examples. Then as you move downward, you will be seeing Gravestone Doji, different kinds of dojis. Hammer, inverted hammer, long lower shadow, spinning top, white body. Then we will move to complex pattern. Example, Bearish Harami. I will teach you the theory and on charts. Each and every pattern, which will show you how to look at it. How it shows you, okay, this will happen. Then you need to do this. And if things didn't turn out as you expected, then what to do? No one tells you that. And that's the basic question. I teach you that. That's why this is a 10 plus hour course. I teach you each and everything. You work downwards on the course, you will learn different methods. Example, bearish 3 method formation, bullish Harami, engulfing bearish line. I will teach you that in theory and on charts. So it's like all pattern in one course. No course teaches that. Different stuff. I will go onwards towards trading, how to use candlestick to trade. People only tell you what candlestick is. I show you how to trade them. On Bitcoin, on Netflix stock, how to virtually trade, VIX tool, gold futures, Forex, Euro US dollar pair. Each and everything is being taught in this course. This is the best investment that you'll make in your life.